everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity that we have just 2 hours down the road in New Haven, Connecticut. So New Haven, much like Pawtucket, is a former mill town and has a great deal of historical, economic, and cultural influences which make it an excellent opportunity for a Nexus franchise. And let me tell you this numbers-wise. Pawtucket has about 18,000 rental units. And look at us. We've been able to grow our business tremendously in just a few short years and now have our first franchise in Fall River. Now, Fall River is bursting at the seams and has about 24,000 rental units. So you're probably wondering, how many does New Haven have? Well, New Haven, here it is, has 40,000 rental units. So what that means is not only can you take advantage of the city, but don't forget you have the suburbs and the beach rentals are just right down the road. So if you're interested in more information, contact us today on the website nexuspropertymanagement.com. And once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.